Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of The Life on The Voice, and we're here at Hamanda Hotel with Andreas Lundin.
Hello, welcome to our hotel, Hamanda Hotel.
We are going to be given a tour of the hotel and we will see much later what makes this hotel unique.
The name Hamanda orients from my children, my daughters, Hannah and Amanda. They're of Hamanda.
This is unique. Tell us about this.
This one I found at my business partner's factory. It's from Indonesia. He
Yes.
found that many years ago. But it was left in the garden, overgrown with vegetation.
Yes.
So I managed to cut it all and bring it here. Because it's also part of traveling. It's part of going somewhere.
It's like a rickshaw, but different.
Yes. We are design oriented in every detail, from the rooms to the lobby to the lounge, pool area, terrace. Something unique but yet familiar for Filipinos.
We are going to head to one other unique new feature of Hamanda Hotel, and that is their pool.
Yes.
Tell us about the pool. Is there another concept to this pool?
I wanted to make something homey,
Yes.
something loungy that you can really, go relax. We're still located in the middle of the city,
Yes.
but I wanted to make it like a lush oasis, like a
Yes.
hidden garden. So here we go.
So we can take a dive in here. Woo! How deep is it?
It's 4 feet and 5 feet.
Nice.
So this part is a little bit deeper, and there is more for kids that you can also swim. And maybe also what's unique with this, half of the pool is outside
Yes.
in free air, and half is actually covered. So you can actually lounge here, even though it's rainy season in the Philippines.
Yes.
From Sweden, and I've been working with antiques and interior design, furniture design for almost 30 years now. So this is where our guests actually can have their breakfast or dinner, or you can just hang out at night. And now breakfast is included. Yes.
Okay. And what do you call this room?
The lounge or the living room. I wanted to do a lounge which is not so formal, so it will be more like actually a living room at home. So you can entertain different groups. You can play cards. You can sit and talk. You can watch television. You can watch Netflix, which is also free in all the rooms. Here again, I tried to make it warm, mostly because of the ceiling. Here I used bamboo blinds that I cut in diamond shapes.
This table.
It has a design of leaves, but it's also carved in wood.
Wow.
Hamanda has 6 hotel rooms. They are classic rooms. We have deluxe room and 1 family room.
Where are we?
We are now in the hotel corridor, and we're going to look at our room number 6.
Okay.
Here you go. So this is one of our rooms that has their own small terrace overlooking the pool and the terrace on the outside. And as all our rooms here, the ceiling is made out of recycled cocoa lumber.
Cocoa lumber, yes.
Yep. The furniture are from more than a chair. We have Nespresso machines in all the rooms, and water kettles so you can have your tea.
And the TV can be...
Yes, you can also lay in bed and watch TV here.
Okay. All beds are queen size?
All beds are queen size. All our rooms have a 49-inch smart TV with Netflix. So you're free to enjoy.
Furniture is amazing. I love this.
So, and then I'll just show you the restroom. They are all with concrete walls and tiles and Filipino acacia wood,
Nice.
solid tops. They look more or less the same, a little bit different color variations in the different rooms.
So each room is themed.
Yes, every room has a unique style.
What is the theme for room number 6?
Not really a theme, it's more that it has its own character. It has a terrace, which the other rooms doesn't have.
Yes.
So there's some features in each room that makes it unique,
Okay.
besides from the design. The hallway, it's decorated with photo art by the local photographer Paolo Feliciano. Most of them are with either carvings, weaving, something that's handicraft from Pampanga. This is room number 2. This is one of 2 rooms that are adjoining. So if you're a bigger family, you can actually have both of the rooms together.
Yes. It's an adjoining room.
Here, the headboard is made out of solid metal.
Yes.
Actually, it's a metal sheet, the ones that you see on the road
Yes.
when there's a crack.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I use those for the
You're
headboard.
very good at repurposing.
Try to figure out a new way of using things.
Yes. Always.
All rooms has plants. I love plants, so I think it's an important feature, a design element, but also something that makes it a little bit more homey. Here we can also overlook the hallway to Souq, the restaurant.
What's for dinner?
We'll see later. Okay, I will show you also the family room.
Yes, but I would like to show him the adjoining.
Yes.
This is an adjoining room, Stanley.
So, but it's locked.
But it's locked!
Yes.
God.
And you need keys from both sides to be able to open it up.
Oh, that's good.
The other restroom, here you have a gilt mirror. So they're all have their special features. Here the wall art is from Asian ceramic as well. So it's also Pampangan company.
So what does this room say? Does it have a theme now? What is the concept?
Not really theme. It's more of a put together the materials. Here we have instead we have a whole wall of reclaimed wood. So I just want to get a different feeling in each room.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's not so much about the theme. It's more of a feeling actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you've designed all of this.
Yes.
Okay.
So the last room we will show today is the family room.
Yes.
So if you're a little bit bigger group, you will have this room, room number 1.
It's your family room and can fit how many people?
4 people, plus you can have 2 extra beds.
Nice.
Here you have, we built actually these bed frames here in the room.
Really?
Yep. I had my carpenters and the guys doing the welding, so these are in metal. And
You
we
can
made
take them
here.
apart?
No, we cannot, because they're built in the room, so we can never move them from here.
Okay. Well, I love the lamps.
And here we also have a small balcony and old doors from an ancestral house. So this is antique doors.
Yes.
Another wall art also from Asian ceramic.
Yes.
Here one of my redesigned things is what I know now is a duyan. That's a cradle.
You didn't know what it was?
No, I came with 2 of them and my staff laughed at me and said, "Hey sir, are you gonna have
have a
twins?
baby? Yeah.
You're gonna have twins." But I like it because for me it's like a sculpture. It's a piece of art.
It is.
So I try to. That's my advantage as a foreigner. I'm not colored in that way. I see things maybe in a different way than native Filipinos do. Here is another restroom, similar, but it's for a bigger family, so you have 2 sinks. It's like a bird's nest.
It's nice. So we'd like to thank Andreas here for giving us a tour of the beautiful Hamanda Hotel. This has been another exciting episode of The Life on The Voice News Weekly. This has been Arlene Lokban, and this is Andreas Lundin. Thank you very much, and see you next time.
My name is Andreas Lundin from Sweden, and I would like to invite all of you to our journey with Hamanda. You can find us on Facebook and on Instagram at Hamanda Hotel at Souq.